Hello, Frankin.
Hello!
What's your name? I'm Hugbert, and I'm show you something.
Look! Wow!
I like birds. Let's tell teacher for drawing the birds. Teacher.
Look!
Hugbert, draw the birds.
Wow, Frankin. Hugbert, draw the birds.
Yes.
Wow, Frankin. Let's tell Hugbert. Hugbert. Let's see the drawing birds.
Okay.
I need to look at drawing birds. Wow, Hugbert. I can believe you're making of draw birds. That's it. I call your parents for drawing paper. Bye.
Bye-bye. When Hugbert got home.
Hugbert, I can't believe you're drawing birds. You know Frankin is happy and so excited for birds. That's it. You're ungrounded. You can do everything you want.
Thanks, Mom.